Hey viewers, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're pronouncing the name of a famous celebrity that belongs to the sports world. He is a famous basketball player and businessman with a net worth of approximately $2 billion. Well, how do we say their name correctly? In British accent, we may pronounce it as Michael Jordan, Michael Jordan, Michael Jordan, Michael Jordan. While in American accent, we may pronounce it as Michael Jordan, Michael Jordan, Michael Jordan, Michael Jordan. You can check out other videos for more. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and share more words you'd like us to pronounce in the comments below. See you next time.